Let's check out the plan. This is a simple visualization of a program execution. In the first step, as you can see, we have chosen one missionary and one cannibal from starting point to travel to the destination. Now, as you can see, we haven't broke any condition over here. We have chosen two people to travel on the boat. So the first condition is okay. Yeah, and the second condition, the missionaries are not outnumbered on any bank. As you can see, there are two missionaries on the start and there are two cannibals. And on the destination, there is one missionary and one cannibal. So the second condition is also true. So we haven't broke any conditions yet. In our next step, while traveling from destination to the starting position, we chose the missionary to go from the destination to the start, because as you can see, if we chose the cannibal from the destination to start, it is going to break our second condition. On the start point, there would be three cannibals and two missionaries. The condition is broken, right? That's why we chose one missionary to go from destination to the start. And as you can see, we haven't broke any condition yet. Let me make it clear that there could be minimum one people and at most two peoples on the boat. So that's why we chose one missionary to go from the destination to the start. Now in our third step, we chose both the cannibals from the start position to go to the destination. Then in our fourth step, we chose one cannibal from to travel from destination to the start point, and still we haven't broke any conditions yet because we just chose one cannibal to travel on the boat. And on the start position, as you can see, there are three missionaries and one cannibal, and that is a valid case because we haven't outnumbered the missionaries. In our fifth step, we chose two missionaries from the start position to travel to the destination, and once they reach, still there are two missionaries and two cannibals, and on the start position there is one cannibal and one missionary. The condition is not broken. Now let's take one cannibal and one missionary from the destination to the start point. Now there are two cannibals and two missionaries at the start point, and there is one cannibal and one missionary at the destination. In our next step, as we can see, we chose both the missionaries from the start position and traveled them to the destination. Now in the destination we got three missionaries and one cannibal, and on the starting position we got two cannibals. Now let's think about it. What should be our next step? Because if we choose one missionary to travel back to the start point, the missionaries would be outnumbered on the starting position because there would be one missionary and two cannibals, so they are going to eat them. Again, if we chose two missionaries to go back to the start, we are on the same step. This is the previous step, by the way. So we will simply choose one cannibal to go to the start point, and this will not break any condition because on the destination we got three missionaries and no cannibal, whereas on the start position we got three cannibals, no missionary. Hence, both the conditions would be satisfied because on the boat we are just going to make a single person travel, that is the cannibal, from destination to the start. Hence we haven't broke any condition yet. So this is the next step. We have three missionaries on the destination and three cannibals on the start. As you can see, this is just a simple game now because we just have to roll back and forth to get all the cannibals from the start position to the destination. Because on the destination, the missionaries are not going to be outnumbered. So we first of all travel two cannibals from the start position to the destination, and again we go back with one cannibal, and we just take all these guys from the start position to the destination, and hence we have successfully executed our program, and yet we haven't broke any condition. So this was really simple, but it is little complicated while doing it in programs. So let's do a little preparation. before jumping to the code. So see you in the next one.